We have decided to honor him. In fact, in our council also, we are erecting a statue of J.J. Nichols Roy. Why only J.J. Nichols Roy? We should even honor people like Togan Sangma, Kyang Nangba, Tirot Sing, Upendra Brahma. I mean, are they only Khasi heroes or Garo heroes or Bodo heroes? They are people who have fought for our history, for our culture. And so if we can do that, hopefully one day you will do the same for us. So J.J. Nichols Roy is the founder of is the father of the sixth schedule. His role was instrumental in giving us certain rights. And if we honor him, we are honoring not just an individual, we are honoring a philosophy, a principle which is very relevant today as well. It is also incumbent on us today, since there's a local media here, we have decided that there was a school in North Tripura which is habited by the Khasi community, and we've decided to open up a school for them from our council, an English medium school, and we are also giving it a name, Tirot Sing Memorial School. I think Pramod Boro himself has offered something in Sri Rampur for us to open up our offices. I've offered land in the TTADC for the KHEDC, GHEDC and the Jayanti Hills District Council to open up their bhavans or guest houses. So I think it is very important that we first start respecting and honoring each other.
I Maharaj jongka Tripura ru produce la aingi yaka jaka hapo Tripura hapo Agartala namta ban shna ke office but kumju ban shna yo mat sakan mau J.J.M Nichols Roy belong u architect lenyu kapa jongka six schedule but ngila shimru yakarai na kalyang Tripura Territorial Autonomous Council bakin penshna kawai ka English medium school haka kerteng jong Tirot Sing siem hapo not North Tripura yakaba hak tu jaka ki donru ki riulum ba ki paradok pasnam jungi ki khasi ki basyong hang tu but dan school dan ete nakalyang jong I ngilai keren mentak ke meeting banakalyang jong I ru in ai yakni ke school haka kerteng jong Tirot Sing namangi shimru ikarai hadin bala asya penpra yo mat dur saken mau jong Tirot Sing hapo Bangladesh tengi kwa ban pen I kani dengan sinjam ke bangin shim mangi kwa penlong ya teli yaki riulum hapo thain lami ngi ke jongi